Uh, by the way, hi, I'm piss high, and I decided that it's a great time to work on this lathe that I recently bought. Okay, so no, it doesn't matter. It's old, as you can see, but it's not in a terrible shape for the price. At least I think. There are just a couple of issues. Main one that I've noticed is, sorry, these two. I think there are two. I'm sure that they are meant to change the spindle speed, and they work only in one or two configurations, because when we open this, it looks terrible, not gonna lie. But here are the gears, yeah. So this is the main spindle, as you can see. How do they call it? Fuck, I forgot the word. The thread screw, I think. The main. Fuck, I'm terrible at this. Anyway, yeah. So there's that. There's the main engine shaft. Oh, okay. Never mind. So this only has one gear here. Goes there. Yeah, and that shaft has other gears. So there are only two configurations. Yeah, because it's either this is connected here to the bottom shaft and to here, so the main spindle has power, or on one of those gears here, or here, or here. Yeah, there's the third one. Very clever, smart people did it. And it's the first time I saw it, I was working on less old machines, yeah, younger machines. So seeing a part, something like probably, but see, it's the first time I saw it, I was like, yeah, that's no, that's fucked probably, because I'm used to newer machines. So seeing a loose part was like a hard drop. But then I saw these two fuckers, and what they are supposed to do is, what I believe, hold this groove here, this gear, and push and pull with those two walls in order to set it here or here, because there are only two combinations on this shaft, yeah, and it does not do that on either side. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Yeah, it's the same thing with these two, three, sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna show it. So how you're supposed to do this is fucking... What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, wait, my bad. It's supposed to go here. Yeah, it closed this time. So what it's supposed to do is, I suppose... What? Never mind. You put it like that, so you push it, and then you can switch the gears. It's already gone. Oh, you can actually see it here. That's the biggest gear, and it's supposed to right along this this thing, yeah. And you're supposed to put them there or there, as I wanted. And also it is supposed to hold them, because the first time I actually turned this machine on, it rolled for like 10 seconds, and then something, went expensive sounds, yeah, and the spindle stopped turning. And then I saw that what had happened actually is, oh, oh, yeah. Now it's supposed to go rather fast. Yeah, see how easy it is? But what had happened after a while of spinning with the spindle, this gear, this motherfucker, just went like, fuck! Why is it so fucking hard all of a sudden? This gear went like that, yeah, and now the whole spindle is fucked because see, not only the spindle spins, and I suppose the lead screw, but not this. And actually, this is the part that gives life to everything. You can see how I can really easily spin it, whereas see how it slides. I think it might actually be the leveling situation because I did not level the lathe yet. So, but I think even if it was leveled, this would not work, and it would eventually slide to the right. I mean, sorry, I'm fucked. So yeah, there's that. There's the first thing that I really fucking need to do with this lathe, and the second thing, although I think I already showed it, I have dementia, is the lead screw does fuck shit. Oh fuck it. I was using the wrench. I mean, wanting to use to unscrew this motherfucker because I do not have an Allen key this big. I think that's, I don't know, like 14 millimeters, or I think that's 14, maybe 12, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably 14. Never mind, doesn't matter. I don't have an Allen key this big, and I thought, but it doesn't fit. It won't fucking fit. So I was desperate. I still did not unscrew it, even though I swear to God, I tried. Those are the marks from recently mentioned things. So yeah, also the thing I wanted to talk about, the screw. It does not power I think that's CrossFit, forward backward movement of this thing. Fuck, I again forgot the word for it in English. The thing that holds the knives. And this bolt is also, I believe, mushroomed here, and I cannot unscrew it. It's spinning rather freely, screwing in, but screwing out gets stuck. It goes out, and this, it goes alright. They are also not fucking rusty at all. Just, I know there isn't a lot of air in the threads, especially because they aren't particularly loose, and the rust on top, which had significantly more rust, probably seared rust, which had more rust. The part that was more exposed had definitely more oxygen, so it rusted quicker, faster, and it probably sealed. So there wasn't any oxygen in the thread, so they couldn't rust furthermore. Yeah, so only two. This one will be easy to screw out because this one has the tip, but I don't have the fucking Allen key that big, and it sucks. And also, fuck yeah, I understand. You cannot see it, but the Morse taper here is it has seen better days. So, yeah, there is a long way ahead.